Are you struggling to waterfall in Fortnite? And are you thinking of giving up? Well, today's your lucky day. Why? You're going to learn how to waterfall in Fortnite. First, crank 90 E's. And if you can't, just build 12 stairs towards the sky. Once you're done building, place 3 floors in front of you like I'm doing. Then go to the end of the last floor you made and turn around. Now the final step, the waterfall. You want to place the walls and catch yourself with either a floor cone or stair. Here's what it looks like.